In this class we fill color and apply texture. So first I load swatches panel on the artboard. I go to Windows menu and then click on the swatches and place in the sidebar by click and drag, and then click on this swatches icon so it will expand. First I load skin color, so I click on the swatches library button and then click on the skin tone and place here. These are skin tone, you can choose any color shade from here, but first I start from the hair color. So I select this hair shape and then fill with dark brown color. Make sure outline color in the bottom and fill color on the top. So I click on the fill color and then pick this fill color for hair. Now I select face and fill with this skin tone, and same as I select other shape, and this time I use eyedropper tool to pick this color and also change fill color for this duplicate hand copy. So I choose eyedropper tool and it updated. Now I fill color in the shoes, so select these by pressing shift key and then double click on the fill color and choose black color from here. Okay, so shoes color also updated. There is some problem with these strokes, so first I zoom little bit and select all these strokes by pressing shift key and click on the no color in the fill and change the stroke parameter. So I click on the stroke and change the profile and I choose this profile. Okay, and fill texture pattern on the dress. I already prepared texture for this dress, so I select this and then click on the swatches panel again, and these two swatches I create for texturing. I click on this fill texture in bow, so I select these element one by one by pressing shift key and then choose different texture for this. By using eyedropper tool you can pick texture and select this, fill with this texture. Okay, in case texture size is small or big, so select this, right click, transform, click on the scale and make sure transform object checkbox is unselected, and here you can change the scale value. I show you, make sure preview checkbox is selected. You can change scaling for this texture and then click on the OK button. Same as if you want to scale down texture in this bow, so select this element, right click, choose scale and then uncheck transform object and scale down. And by using eyedropper tool you can update this texture. Now I fix some problem in these strokes, so select all stroke by using shift key and then fill with no color. Texture and fill color is updated and it's time to fine tune this drawing. First I replace these stroke because black color stroke not look very nice. First I off this template layer, so I go to layer panel and off this template. Now I choose magic wand tool and select all skin element by clicking on this and then open swatches panel and fill with this edge with the dark brown color. Okay, now I add eyes, nose and lips, so this model look better. I already create a template for this, I show you. You can cut these shape from cartoon character by using Photoshop. So I paste on the face. Okay, now it's look better. I perfectly place, I think this lip should be in the bottom side. Okay, now it's look better. It's a final result of Crookie design template. Now you can create your project and share with me.